I believe that was question 7 first. All right, so we'll call this question 8. Assume the price elasticity of demand on coffee is negative 0.3. Question 1, part A says, how many percent would coffee quantity demanded decline if the price of coffee is increased by 30%? So we know elasticity of demand equals percent change in demand, or in quantity demanded, over percent change in price. We're given elasticity is 0.3. We know the percent change is positive 30%. So now you just have to solve for the change in quantity demanded, which would just be percent change in quantity demanded would just be 30 multiplied by negative 0.3, which I believe is negative 9%. All right, tutor says exact same thing. So price elasticity of demand is the change in quantity demanded over the percent change in price. We have what price elasticity is. We have the percent change in price. You just have to solve for the change in quantity demanded, and it's 9%, decrease of 9%. So for part A, quantity demanded will decline by 9% if coffee is increased by 30%. Part B says, if Starbucks raised its coffee price by 30% and all other firms kept the same price, what would the change in Starbucks sales? Would the change in Starbucks sales be the same as your answer in part A? How do you explain their responses? Our tutor said, no, Starbucks demand for quantity falls by more than 9% as people will switch firm while buying coffee, as consumers are able to obtain the same product at a lower price from other firms than people are buying from them. This reduces Starbucks quantity demanded. On the other hand, if price is increased by all the firms in the market, then the quantity demanded by each firm will fall by 9%. So that's correct. And what we were looking at in part A was if the market price of coffee is increased by 30%, then the market demand, quantity demanded, will decrease by 9%. However, if only one firm in the market, in this case this is Starbucks, if only one firm in the market increases its price by 30%, then people will just switch from buying their coffee at Starbucks and get it at other places like Tim Hortons, McDonald's, Coffee Time, etc. And their demand will actually decrease by more than 9%. So this is correct. And great explanation.